Good morning, YouTube fam. I've been gone for a minute, man, but it's a beautiful, beautiful morning, man. Well, mid-afternoon, pre-afternoon, about 11 o'clock. But it's beautiful out here, man. I got the famous box up there, man. As you can see, we not half-stepping with it at all. Get it, the cosmetic shit is done on it. It's done. Next thing we doing on here, man, I just ordered the Dakota Digital LEDs for this right here, for the tail lights. Dakota LEDs for the headlights, man. Then I got the Dakota Digital dash. You know, we upgrading it, man. Getting it ready for the swap. Yeah, it ain't swapped yet. Still got the original, I believe it's a 305 in there. It's running smooth though. Not enough power, man. Not enough power to drag them Rams. All that is sluggish. I done put it on the freeway and everything, man. We got the QA1 on there. Everything, suspension upgraded, man, front and back. But stay locked, stay tuned, stay with me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Man, tuning up, man. Got the Starbucks, man. We tuning up, getting ready to go, man. We finna leave. But stay locked, stay with me.
So the customer said that he has the keys. We'll bring them down for a little while.
Okay.
So just drag it up on the bed. Don't open the door. Don't close yourself in it.
Oh, no. You wait till he get here, so he gotta let us know what he want done. Yeah, I'm just documenting that. This is how it came to me. It's already leaking. Yeah, we got another one, customer build, man. We're gonna be going through this one. It's real easy, simple. Real simple build, man. Frame off build. That's how it came to us right here. So, man, real simple, man. I'm gonna put a little bit more detail in these videos for y'all so y'all can see the real work getting done on it. Yes, sir. Frame off, man. Had the underbelly sandblasted. Coated it with the little bed liner, man. But that's how we looking, man. That's how we looking, frame off. Come get them frame offs. We powder coated everything. Even though we're using coilovers for the back, he got some UMI stuff coming, 9-inch rear end coming. Everything was powder coated, man. Touching every part of this build. Yeah, we're getting it ready for paint. Paint prepping it right now. We even doing your bolts, man. G-Body Extreme.